Question: how long will your retirement money last in retirement? And what are the factors which could prevent you from reaching your income goals? Remember 2008? I'm sure you do. That was the year of the financial crisis, when the stock market lost nearly 40% of its value and shrank the assets that millions of baby boomers were counting on to fund their income for retirement. There are several other examples, and historically we see these significant drops in the market every 10 years. During the years you're saving for retirement, if the market drops, you may have time to rebuild your assets that are subject to market volatility. Time would have to be on your side. But once you start withdrawing your money, that's when market volatility can have a big impact on how long your assets will last and how comfortable you can live in retirement. One factor in how big of an impact those ups and downs in the market can bear down on your retirement is your sequence of returns. The reality is we can't predict the year after year sequence of returns you will experience while drawing on your nest egg over time. So how could the sequence of returns play out in your own retirement? Here's some examples. Say you're retiring with a nest egg of $1 million and you plan to withdraw $50,000 per year with a slight increase every year for inflation. Meanwhile, your remaining asset is still invested and still subject to the ups and downs of the market. Of course, we can't predict those ups and downs, your sequence of returns. But let's say that in your first year of retirement, you get a really good return, and the next year you get another positive return. Not as good as your first year, but it's still positive. Then in year 3, well, a little less. And in year 4, ouch, the market, and you take a loss now. With compounding, you'll average a good positive return over those 4 years. And that's what you want, right? So let's keep repeating that sequence of returns in the exact same order until your annual withdrawals have completely used up the asset. In this example, that's 38 years of income. But what would have happened if you started withdrawing money in a down market? To find out, let's take that same 4 numbers, and this time we'll reverse the order. You still get the same compounded average, but this time you'll start out with a significant loss, then an okay gain, then a better gain, and then a really good gain. And as before, we'll keep repeating that sequence until your annual withdrawals have completely used up the asset. But in this example, it happens about 13 years sooner. You'd have lost 13 years of income, and only because you got the same returns in a different order. Of course, there's no way to predict the order of your returns, or whether it will be an up market, a down market, or a flat market when you start your retirement. However, there are potential retirement income solutions, like an annuity, that can provide protection against losses due to market volatility. An annuity can also be a source of guaranteed income for your retirement years. Remember, every additional year your assets last can mean fewer financial worries and a level of comfort. Yes, a long retirement is good, but it's even better when you already have the money to enjoy it. Ask your agent for complete information about an annuity, whether you already have an annuity that you would like to improve your income, or the option of guaranteeing an income that you cannot outlive. Secure your assets in retirement today with a program to enroll in the benefits of providing you income for your retirement that you can never outlive. Our team is here to provide you with the solutions that will help you achieve your retirement goals. Protect now against the unpredictable sequence of returns with an enrollment program that provides you growth or income with a fixed indexed annuity.